What is up, my Fiber Nation, and welcome back to another racing video. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for a Jenga Trek. I'm doing it with the purpose of a friend of mine to understand how to do a Jenga Trek right, and so he can he can practice and all that, and he can become a pro in that track because he's a pro. I won't tell names though. I won't tell names. So let's start off with I'm not gonna talk during my first run, and then I'm gonna try to explain it a little bit once I do that run, alright? Let's get straight to it. Jenga Trek, there it is, buddy. So, you gotta use the Majav, alright? Alright, so that's 58 dirty. I did about an hour ago 58.08, which is good. So now I'll try to explain it. Because I did some things wrong I shouldn't have done. Come on now. So, you go on, you jump this, right? And let me show you what you do. You're gonna try and pop the first wheel in. Let me try it again. Oh my god, let me turn this volume off so I can explain much easier without having noises. So, you spawn, you try to go for this, and then you gotta try and pop the first wheel to get a wheelie done so you can go over this in a wheelie. Once you do that, jump this, turn your head backwards and all that. Try to split this perfectly. And do a wheelie right here. Try to do a wheelie and land on the wheelie right there so you get enough speed to land right there. Alright, yep. Now try and angle yourself over this. I didn't do it right. But try to land right here. Because if you go, the faster you go, the stronger the bump. And the stronger the bump, the faster you get downwards. Now here, try to slow a little bit down so you land kind of perfectly in between here. And then do the same here. Just like that. Then once you get here, try to slow it down. Land there, press the boost. Backwards. Land. And you keep going. Now let me try and do that once more so you know what I'm talking about. Let's try this once more. Alright, let me drink a little bit of my Sprite. Refreshing. Try to land just like that so you can pop a wheelie. Didn't pop it right. Alright. Alright. Because if I can get 57.8, you can get it also. Look at that. And try to land in a little wheelie. So you go much faster, you land much faster. English! Alright. Try to slow down here. Kinda perfect. That's not what I wanted, but I'll take it. that should be helpful to you, M3 or M. So, guys, I'll do a Robot Fighting 2 Minibot Battle 3D video soon, like in about I can't say in an hour because I'm not sure because I'm watching the RLCS. An hour and a half. Let's put it that way. If not 2 hours, then I'll make sure it's up by today. So Mega, I hope this video. I said I would not say your name, but fuck it. I hope this was of help, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.